Okay, so currently right now what we have to do is go back to PBTech. I have a receipt to refund the power supply. Thing is beeping at me because it knows it's Let's hit the PBTech. So the replacement is just a piece of paper saying they'll give me a replacement or something. No clue. Apparently it's gonna come by, I don't know, I guess it was coming from a branch. Yeah, it's gonna take some time. That's gonna be a delay for PC flipping, but I can still get other power supplies. I still need to get other power supplies used too. And then we can actually finish off most of the computers and we can actually start selling them. But tonight I'm definitely start taking photos and starting to list them. Okay, so back onto crap audio. Anyways, pretty much what I've done is I've just coated our power supply, coated the sticker. One thing that didn't really go that well yesterday was actually spray painting the cables, which I don't know if it's even worth doing anymore. But one thing I can definitely say is spray painting the power supply is definitely worth it. Anyway, I'm gonna go head outside. Let's start. Okay, so currently these power supplies are drying. I'm probably not going to paint those the actual cables, as that makes the cables really sticky. Pretty much right now, currently, nothing really much to do. All I need is just parts and to build PCs, trying to test more PCs. Right now I'm just doing a general clean of my room to make everything way more nice and way more organized. Nice, we do have a power supply to pick up. Frick, let's do that. I can't believe it. EVGA power supply. Can't get another one in stock, so that's why that one's coming from. Might come next week. Anyways, we have a power supply to pick up for $50. It's the Corsair one, which is actually pretty good. Anyways, let's hit the road.
1 hour later.
Oh, what time is this? Oh, 7 o'clock. Okay, so pretty much you might think, why the hell am I in bed? Yeah, we took the photos. That took me up to maybe like 2 a.m. in the morning. Then I woke up at 6 a.m. I mean, and then I was really tired. And after that, then I started to write listings, and I've listed all the computers. They're all most of the computers I've built. I believe there's like one more to list. So that's like, I think that's 6 PCs listed. And we picked up, I went to Hobsonville, we picked up a power supply for 60 New Zealand dollars. It's a 650 watt 80 plus gold, which is a pretty good power supply for $60. Our EVGA power supply is still in PBTech. They haven't given me a replacement. I guess I have to wait for next week for that. But anyways, whew. So pretty much my jobs are still to clean my room, to set up. We might have a person possibly viewing the computer tomorrow. Personally, I hate viewing. Frankly, for me, it's a waste. It's a big waste of time. I need to go back and reset my game drive, the drives I use for testing. Apparently, I think those are corrupt in some way. I really hate it how my SSDs corrupt all the time. It's super inconvenient. So pretty much our task today is to fix the my testing SSD. That's one thing. To clean up my room. That's another. And to finally list all the PCs, including that one PC I left out, and to finish the last PC since I bought a power supply today. Anyways, I'm the first. Oh, and also forgot to say, another task we definitely have to do is to take a stock take of the parts I used, because this time I'm not trying to be as lazy as productive and to see if all the specifications, just in case anything goes wrong, I know what's in that power supply, or no, not what's in the computer. So anyways, first task, let's do a stock take. Okay, so currently we finished doing our stock take. We accounted for all the specs and all the parts in this room. And we still have some leftover parts. We still have the Stormtrooper cases to fix. I haven't bothered fixing that, to be honest. Anyways, the task in hand now is to install and test this 650 watt FSP power supply that we bought today. Hopefully it works. It's very unlikely it doesn't. It's a bit dusty, so I might just give it a quick brushing and a quick clean of this, and then firstly test it, and then maybe give it a good quick clean, and then install it into our computer, and hopefully, then after that we can hopefully take photos of this computer, and then we can list it. Anyways, let's start. Currently this computer actually works. The person also who I bought it off in Hamilton said that the USB ports were broken. Well, they're not, because my mouse over here works, and I'm installing Windows off the front USB ports on this case. So I guess he might have just unplugged the cable. No clue. Anyways, so that's one more computer done. After this, I'm gonna clear my desk again over here and take more pictures. To be honest, just like last season of josephdoesathing First PCs, even though I was lucky to get a bunch of really good stuff and really good prices, I still think I maybe not computers, and I don't know, there's something looming behind my head that I'm not gonna lose money, but these computers can take so long to sell. Maybe even extending this season on to next term. And also, I've been thinking, should I end PC flipping? Like, I've lost the I'm very quickly, but heck, I'm gonna keep fighting on, soldiering on, and frankly, if I don't lose money, it's all for YouTube entertainment. Anyways, let's continue on the next task. Okay, so we just sold the first computer of this kind of weird season. It is the GTX 750 Ti computer, selling for $570, making around $200. But with the condition that I'm gonna go drop it off at Sylvia Park. Anyways, I'm gonna go put this computer back together, and let's head over there. So currently we sold that PC, that's all done. And we have to go, I just listed the other 750 Ti PC, the cheap Corsair one, which uses the cheap case. I'll have to get back to the person on that computer because, yeah, that computer, the CPU, motherboard, and RAM was from the scuffed 1070 PC. So pretty much the profit of that one will be good, so I might actually let that one go for a bit cheaper. I might push the price up with the person to see if I can sell that for like maybe around like $550. It's $550, yeah, it's pretty reasonable because I was just about to sell that PC that I just sold for $550 and I got it for $570. But I'll see what happens. Anyways, Future Joseph here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Certainly, PC flipping is getting a bit but next episode is going to be a DIY PC mod where I bleach a case with hydrogen peroxide. It sounds more interesting than it seems, and this technique clue is usually used in the retro gaming community, but sometimes but this is a method that I've been using to fix cases since the beginning of PC flipping and even before this channel. But anyways, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.